Hello everyone, I am Mr. Sagar Bhopale, working as an assistant professor in Department of ENTC of AISSMS IOIT Pune. In this video, I am going to tell you something about electronics product design aspects. So, while designing any electronics product, the manufacturer has to keep in mind the factors like customer specifications or customers' requirements, industrial production, company identity, aesthetics, fashion, culture, functions, environment, cost, ergonomics, materials to be used. So these are the factors any manufacturer has to keep in mind while designing any electronics product. So we will see one by one in detail. First aspect is customer requirements. Market survey is first and very basic aspect of the product design. In order to start the development of a new product, the needs of the customer must be identified. Second aspect is industrial production. Manufacturer has to decide whether single product is to be manufactured or a batch of products should be manufactured or continuous production should be done. Product delivery to the customer should be just in time. Third factor or third aspect is cost. The costing department works out on the probable selling cost of the product by considering the different factors such as cost of the material, purchasing, labor cost, manufacturing overheads, different taxes to be paid, and profit margin. If the customer agrees on the selling cost, then the production starts. Next aspect is aesthetics. Aesthetics are mainly related to art or beauty of the product. Manufacturer has to decide attractive color and shape of the product. Next aspect is ergonomics. Ergonomics deals with interaction between humans and systems. The product should be easy to use and safety of the operator or the user is also important. Next factor is fashion. Manufacturers has to decide depending on customers' requirements whether to give modern look or traditional look to the product. Next aspect is culture. Manufacturer has to keep in mind the culture and beliefs of the society in which product is to be used and according to that the design must be modified if required. For example, in some parts of the world, number 13 is considered unlucky and 13th floor is not included in the building. So if you are manufacturing lifts or elevators, then you should modify the design according to it. Next aspect is environment. Manufacturer has to take care of the environment also. Next one is company identity. Manufacturer has to take care of the quality and reliability of the product. Also, it has to decide the logo, slogans, and the logo, slogans of the company for proper advertisement of the company. Now we will see some examples of good product design and bad product design. So, Indian cell phone startup called Lava decided to introduce a revolutionary new product Lava B5. They made a new keyboard layout in which alphabets were in sequence. The Lava B5 flopped miserably because apparently people didn't want to relearn everything they knew about trying typing just to use their new cell phone. Another example of poor interface design. By looking at the above word, people may get confused which button they have to press to go in upward direction and which button they have to press to go in downward direction. So apparently the designers figured that the barely perceptible line between the two buttons was a big enough clue for all of us. So this is another example of poor interface design. Some good examples of design. Angle poise is a balanced arm lamp designed in 1932 by British designer George Carvertin. The joints and spring tension allows the lamp to be moved into a wide range of positions which it will maintain without being clamped. And this design we are using in today's world also. Therefore, we can say that this is good example of the design. Another good example is smartphones. A smartphone is a mobile phone with an advanced mobile operating system. They typically combine the feature of a cell phone with those of other popular mobile devices such as personal digital assistant, media player, GPS navigation unit. Most smartphones have a touchscreen user interface, can run third-party apps, and are camera phones. So this is another example of good product. For making this video, I have used these references. Thank you.